Hello everyone in YouTube land. The suspense is over. I am back with the results of the experiment using Fabrifix glue and chopped up bits of Jello foil lid to make jewels. And here is one of the first ones I did where I put the glitter bits in first and then the glue and then smooshed it around with a toothpick. It's looking pretty good, I think. The only bad part is my terrible precision cutting skills, cutting it out, but I bet you can do that better. And here's one of the ones I did on camera yesterday. Being focused to come into effect. So this one has glue in first and still smushed things around. Come on, camera. Anyway, I think they turned out looking pretty decent. What's interesting is on the back they turned concave. Just they didn't fill them up all the way, I suppose, or they settled as they were drying. But what I would probably do is add a bit more glue. There, now you're focusing. Add a bit more glue when I add whatever sort of metal piece I'm going to attach to it to make it a proper jewelry piece. So you can see with the blister pack how they all ended up concave. But the fronts look pretty good. I would be more careful opening my blister packs. But at the time, I just wanted to try a Maaaaybeeeee. Those are really cool if you haven't had them. It's a West African berry. It's called a Maaaaybeeeee, which is kind of a suspicious name. But what it does is make things that are sour or bitter taste sweet. So you can, this was tablet form, so you put it on your tongue, you let it dissolve, and then after it's dissolved, you can bite into a lemon wedge and it tastes like amazing lemonade. Or you could eat a sweet fruit like strawberry or orange and it's amazing, it's like candy. So if you're trying to cut out excess sugar from your diet, or just want something super sweet and delicious, Maaaaybeeeee. I did not intend to do a commercial. My brain. Anyway, I would be more careful with my blister pack when unpacking. But I think in terms of proof of concept, it's not too bad. Fabrifix dried clear. But the only issue, which now that I think about it, should have been pretty obvious, is that Fabrifix dries flexible. So these have a little bit of squish to them. Because if you're gluing fabric together, it would be pretty terrible to have hard glue in there. So it has a little bit of squish. I may try other glues, or you can try that at home. This one, I think I got a little bit of an air bubble in. This might have been the very first one I did, where I put glitter in first and then the glue. And I thought, oh no, it's not drying, but it's just an air bubble. So this one's really squishy. But overall, proof of concept, I think this is kind of a cool thing to do. I have no idea how I'm going to use them. You're probably more clever than I am in that regard. I'm new to junk journaling. And jewels are probably not my go-to, but I just had this idea and thought I'd give it a go. Anyway, I'm running out of things to say, running out of steam. I'm super tired, but I didn't want to be a liar since I said I would put this up tomorrow. I said that yesterday, so good night, or good afternoon, or good morning, depending on when you're watching this, and thanks for watching this. Take care. See you later. Bye.